Nature is filled with amazing creations, and one of those unique, amazing, beautiful, colorful, stunning creations are fish. And we always talk about aquarium fish, right? एक्वेरियम एंड फिश कीपिंग का हॉबी हमें खुशियां देती है, हमें जिज्ञासु बनाती है, एंड इसके लिए जानकारी सिर्फ 3 मिनट में मयूर देव क्लिप्स में आप देख सकोगे। तो देखो। So now, the first fact. Koi fish and goldfish don't have a stomach. Yeah, they don't have a stomach. It's just a tube, mouth, intestine and the rectum. It goes out. So the digestion happens in the intestine of the fish. So it's important that you feed the right kind of food and feed small quantities multiple times. Unlike for normal fish where we feed twice a day, you can feed goldfish or koi fish about 5 times a day, but very, very minimal quantity. Very minimal quantity, so their digestive system is always healthy. Fact number 2, fish can recognize human faces. Now that's an amazing fact. Now we all have fish in our homes, and when we go towards them, they come towards us. But does the same thing happen to an outsider? Does the same thing happen to somebody new? Okay, the actions may actually convey, but they recognize you. Especially bigger fish, they definitely recognize human faces. And there has been a study with archer fish, especially archer fish, that they have seen that even with a bunch of strangers, they can recognize a particular face. Now that's an amazing fact. Some unique fish can actually change their gender. Clownfish, Nemo fish. Most people call it Nemo fish, but generally clownfish are all born male. And in a group, if the dominant female dies, then another male fish can convert and become a female so that their group stays sustained and they can keep reproducing. That means they take care of their own survival. Now that's another unique fact. Did you know that? Many fish communicate using sound. Now, of course, we may not be able to hear it from outside an aquarium, but yes, they use sound to communicate with each other. Sometimes it's because of territory, sometimes it's because of aggression, sometimes it's because of mating, but they use sound in many ways, like grinding their teeth or even vibrating their swim bladder. So they communicate using sound. Some of the most interesting sounds that we have heard are whales and killer whales, and we know that they use sound. Dolphins also, right? And even aquarium fish do that. Aquariums as a whole can actually reduce stress. They can reduce your BP, anxiety, all of that. Just by watching an aquarium, fish movements, this actually reduces your stress. It helps you. Not just you, it even helps your children. Now today, day and age, children are so stressed with their schoolwork and education and those heavy bags and so much to learn and competition and peer pressure. An aquarium at home helps them calm down, and also importantly helps them learn their school science better than other kids. An aquarium teaches all kinds of science, but that we will discuss another time. Okay. Fact number 6. The world's largest aquarium holds 10 million gallons of water. So the maths of it you have to do. 1 gallon is about 3.3 liters, and we're talking 10 million liters. So that's a whole lot of liters. And this aquarium is in America, Georgia, Atlanta. It's considered the world's largest aquarium. Of course, I think now there is some shift in that, the world ranking, but up-to-date data is Georgia, Atlanta, 10 million gallons of water. Some species of fish exhibit a biparental care, especially cichlids. The male and the female fish, they both together take care of their babies. Biparental, matlab both parents take care of their babies. Discus fish, again from the Amazon River, discus fish, such a beautiful fish. They kind of have gone one level above. They actually feed their babies the mucus on the body. So the babies, like mother's milk, the mucus on the discus fish body is their first meal. Okay, and both male and female fish take care of their babies. Amazing, right? Have you been to a beach on a hot summer day? Now this is fact number 8. Like you can get sunburned, even fish can get sunburned. Yes. especially fish like koi fish, when they are kept in an open pond and when the pond is shallow, they tend to get sunburned if it's very hot. If they're exposed to too much sunlight, they tend to get sunburned. So fish can also get sunburned. Of course, you can't put body lotion or suntan on them, but yes, you can make the pond deeper. Now, making a pond deeper means digging an existing pond. Now, that's a difficult proposition. Cover the pond so that there's lesser sunlight falling onto the pond and your fish are comfortable and fine. Have you ever been electrocuted? Or even just got an electric shock, a small shock, 240 volt. It jerks your whole system, right? Now, an electric eel found in the Amazon River can generate 600 volts of electricity. Okay, it can kill a full-grown animal. Ideally, they use it to hunt because they emit the electricity, they shock the other animal around it, especially fish or small crustaceans and stuff, and they can eat it. But yes, at the same time, in the Amazon River, other animals, and if humans also land up there, it will shock the pants off you. 600 volts. Finally, point number 10 and the last point, or the last amazing aquarium fact for today is a cichlid aquarium, a good, nice community cichlid aquarium or African cichlid aquarium is as dramatic as Bold and the Beautiful. Soap opera is as dramatic because they have a whole drama going on and there's so much of the dominant male fighting the subdominant males and the dominant female, fighting off the beta females and so on and so forth. So they kind of create a hierarchy. There's always a dominant. I believe ये जानकारी आपके लिए फायदेमंद था. ऐसे बहुत सारे छोटे-छोटे वीडियोस हैं हमारे इस चैनल में. So देखो, जानकारी लो, जिज्ञासा अपना पूरी करो and of course aquarium and fish keeping hobby का पूरा मजा लो. Thank you. Namaste, Khudafish, Abakir and Sat Sri Akal. Bye bye.